Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kai, also known as Bougie Baby, and today we're going to be filming my first makeup tutorial. So just stay tuned and we'll be right back. As you can see, I've already done my eyebrows. So now we're just going to move on to foundation. So this is the foundation we'll be using from Fenty Beauty. It's called 390. I'm just blending right now, so I'm just blending all around. Now I'm going to be using this shade to highlight. They look a bit, well, not the same, but it's fine.
Now
We're going to be using some Ben Nye powder. I'm just going to use this to set my face. So I'm going to be using this BH Cosmetic brush in the number 2. So I'm just going to be talking while I do this. So the reason I like this is because it's fluffy. I like to be a bit bougie because that's where I get my name from. Bougie. So now I'm going to contour. I'm going to be using this contour kit. I'm going to be using Espresso, is this darkest one. Done. So this is the palette. It's from Juvia's Place. This is Sahara Palette Volume 2. These are all the colours inside. Today I'm going to be using this one, Sola. I'm going to be taking the same brush. Go around, around, around. And I like this one because it has highlighter in it. Just before I put this palette down, I'm just going to show you all the colours one more time because I really like this palette. I love this brush because it's angled and it's easy to get on my cheekbones. It's from MAC. It's number 129. So now I'm going to be taking my Fenty Beauty by Rihanna highlighter palette. Now I'm just going to do this 2 different sides and taking the shiny side. It's called Hustler Baby. Just take them out. Makeup is just not makeup without it on your nose. Okay, so we're going to be doing the last thing of all after I get a drink. I'm drinking the worst lemonade ever. No, but seriously, it's the worst lemonade ever. It's super sour. So I'm just going to open it to show you what it looks like inside. Ooh, kinda got a bit messy. Special, just mascara. Now I'm going to put on my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. The colour is Fenty Glow. So now I'm going to set my face with NYX Fix Plus. So now we dry. This is the finished look. my finished look. Thank you for coming and watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Bye. No, let's do that beep buzzer thing.